If you watch only one Harbor Freight video all year, make it this one. Harbor Freight just dropped their instant savings real deals. No coupons needed, but it's a race against the clock because these disappear after April 6th. I've scoured hundreds of items to handpick the top 15 that are actually worth your hard-earned cash, affordable, tough, and field-tested. Here's a teaser for the big three. We're talking the Predator. 2,500-pound wireless winch for dirt cheap, the Jupiter 4,000-watt inverter at a shock-inducing price, and the Thunderbolt 100-watt solar panel saving you $25 instantly. If you grab all 15 items on my list, you're looking at over $500 in total savings. I've filtered these specifically for the guys building out their garages, wrenching on cars, or hitting the trails. These are the bang for your buck champions. Smash that like button and subscribe right now if you don't want to be the guy who missed out. Let's dive in. Listen up. This is my number one pick of this entire video. 2,500-pound winch with a wireless remote, all yours for just $79.99. That's an instant $20 bill back in your pocket. Picture this. You're buried axle-deep in red mud. It's pouring rain, or your ATV is stuck on a nasty hillside. Instead of breaking your back, you just grab the remote, press a button, and watch that steel cable pull a literal ton of machine right out of the muck. No manual cranking, no standing in the danger zone. I've put this Predator line through the ringer on my light truck and boat, and let me tell you, it's a tank. It runs smooth stays, cooler than those no-name Chinese knockoffs, and the wireless range is a total game changer. This is the ultimate lifesaver for off-roaders, weekend warriors, or anyone hauling a boat. This deal vanishes on April 6th, 2026, and if you miss it, you'll be kicking yourself forever. If this helps you out, give me a thumbs up so I can keep hunting down these gems for you. Now let's move to number 2. The thing that keeps your world bright when everyone else is in the dark. Imagine this. You're at a campsite that's pitch black or worse. The grid goes down in your neighborhood during a sweltering summer night. While your neighbors are fumbling with candles and paper fans, boom! Your house is glowing, the fridge is humming, and your laptop is at 100% magic. Nope, just the Jupiter 2,000 watts / 4,000 watts inverter doing its thing. At just $129.99, saving you $20, this is the MVP I carry in my camper on every single trip. I've even used it to run drills and saws on a job site without it even breaking a sweat. Don't let the rugged looks fool you. This thing is as steady as a rock. Compared to those designer inverters that cost a fortune, the Jupiter is a total beast when it comes to performance per dollar. There's nothing like the feeling of plugging in and watching 2,000 watts of pure power bring your gear back to life in a heartbeat. If you're feeling the vibe, don't forget to like and subscribe. If we share the same passion for gear, why not join the crew so you don't miss these tasty deals before June 4th? Wait, did I say June? Better stick to the April 6th deadline for the best luck. All right, on to number 3, the panel that gives you free juice forever. Okay? This third one has me genuinely hyped. The Thunderbolt Solar 100-watt monocrystalline panel, only $94.99, saving you $25 right off the top. Visualize this. It's high noon. You're out with your truck or deep in a field and you just unfold this beauty. It starts drinking the sun and turning it into pure, clean electricity. Charge your batteries, your phones, run your fans, or pair it with that Jupiter inverter for a 24/7 power setup that costs you 0 cents in utilities. I took this Thunderbolt camping in the mountains once. Even with the sun beating down all day, it topped off my batteries lightning fast. The frame is light but tough as nails, and it folds up so easily it's a crime not to bring it. No more dead battery anxiety in the middle of nowhere. This is the future for the off-grid crowd, van lifers, or anyone who just wants to shave a few bucks off their electric bill. A deal this sweet only lasts until April 6th, 2026. If you're slow, you're low. Now let's pivot to item number 4, a tiny powerhouse that every garage needs. Okay, moving on to item number 4, a total gem that's compact enough for any garage but punches way above its weight class. We're talking about the Bauer 3-gallon wet/dry vacuum. At just $39.99, you're saving a crisp $10 bill. Look, every garage needs a cleanup crew, and this little beast is it. Whether you've got sawdust all over your workbench or you spilled a gallon of coolant on the floor, this thing sucks it up like it's thirsty. I've got one of these tucked under my bench. It's lightweight, the suction is surprisingly violent for its size, and it doesn't take up half your floor space. It's perfect for detailing your truck or sucking the spider webs out of the corners. For $40, it's a no-brainer. Snag it before April 6th or keep living in the dust. For those who often tow trailers, motorcycles, or carry heavy loads, this item is truly a lifesaver. Item number 5. Husky 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, priced at just $19.99, save $20. Solid aluminum hitch, super lightweight but incredibly sturdy. Adjusts 6 inches up and down, suitable for all types of pickup trucks and SUVs. 2 ends with 2-inch and 2 5/16-inch balls, capable of towing from motorcycles to trailers weighing tons. I once installed this Husky on a pickup truck, towing a trailer carrying a motorcycle for an off-road tour. The towing feels incredibly smooth without any jolting or shaking like those heavy steel hitches. Aluminum, so no worries about rust left outside in the rain and sun all year round, still shiny. Overall, the quality of Husky is top-notch, yet the price is extremely affordable, just over $40 for a premium hitch. If you are planning to buy a new hitch or replace the old one, this is the golden time before April 6th, 2026. Do you think this deal is good? Like the video for me to keep the enthusiasm going, guys. And now moving on to the 6th item. The hottest deal in this video, super cheap and something everyone needs. We're at the hottest deal in the entire video. Master 500-pound capacity, ratcheting tie-downs, 4-pack priced at just $10.99, 31% off. An incredible deal. Imagine this, you're transporting a motorcycle on a pickup truck with items hanging loosely, or securing a boat, camping gear, or bicycles. Just one pull, and the ratchet tie-down tightens firmly, no shaking, no slipping, even at 100 kilometers per hour on the highway. I have used this set many times when going on motorcycle tours, transporting old refrigerators, and even tying a few bicycles to the roof of the car. The straps are super strong, the ratchet locks smoothly, they tighten very firmly, and they come off quickly and easily. A set of 4 for under $10, use them for a whole year without running out. Honestly, this is something you should buy without thinking, because everyone needs it and it sells out very quickly. Harbor Freight often sells out these types of tie-downs very quickly. This deal is only available until April 6th, 2026, folks. And now moving on to the 7th item, 2 sets of the legendary titanium step drill bits that everyone should get a few of. If you're tired of fighting with metal, stainless steel, or plastic, get ready to have your mind blown. Item number 7 is the holy grail of drilling, the Warrior titanium step drill bits. Look, do yourself a favor and grab both sets. The 2-piece set, 3/16 of an inch to 1 and 3/8 of an inch for just $17.99. The 3-piece set, smaller sizes for a measly $9.99. For less than $35, you're fully loaded with titanium-coated bits that'll outlast your patience. Imagine this, you're drilling perfect surgical holes through steel or aluminum without the bit walking, snapping, or having to swap out sizes every 5 seconds. That titanium coating keeps things cool so you're not burning through bits like they're made of plastic. I've used these to drill out motorcycle exhausts, build custom steel shelving, and mod my truck. It cuts through metal like a hot knife through butter. Seriously, once you go step bit, you never go back. It's addictive. If you're already picturing yourself making clean holes in record time, smash that like button. But hurry, these go back to full price after April 6th. Now on to number 8, the beast of a tarp that shields everything. If you do any work outdoors, this is your new best friend. We're talking about the Harbor Freight 12mm Extreme Duty Tarp. It's $37.99, and at 12 mils thick, this thing is a tank. Picture this, the sky opens up, a torrential downpour hits, and all you do is throw this bad boy over your bike, your truck, or your construction gear, and you're golden. It's thick, 100% waterproof, and has reinforced grommets that won't rip even if you tension it like a guitar string. You can leave this out in the sun and rain for a year, and it won't rot or shred. I've used this tarp to protect my bed load during storm season cover wood piles and even as a makeshift backdrop. Whether it's blistering sun or a monsoon, this thing stays solid. For under $40, having one of these in storage is just common sense. All right, let's move to number 9, the secret to making your garage look like a professional F1 pit cruise home base. If you're currently losing your mind because your sockets are rolling around like loose change in a drawer, listen up. Item number 9 is the Husky peg-type socket trays. Now just $19.99 after a 20% haircut. These are peg-style organizers that you can slap on a wall or toss in your toolbox. They're clearly labeled for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives. No more digging for 10 minutes just to find that 114mm socket that always seems to go missing. I installed these in my shop, and man, it's a night and day difference. It went from junk drawer chaos to professional mechanic in about 5 seconds. Now I can just glance over, grab what I need, and get back to work. It's better for your workflow and definitely better for your blood pressure. Husky quality is top tier, the pegs won't snap, and the trays won't sag. For about $20, you're buying your sanity back. This deal expires April 6th. So if your garage currently looks like a toolnado, hit that like button and go get these. Next up, item number 10, the air compressor accessory kit that's worth every penny. Look, getting a nice air compressor without this kit is like buying a luxury sports car and forgetting the keys. The Merlin 20-piece air compressor kit is that master key. And trust me, at just $18.99, it's the biggest deal you'll find at Harbor Freight before June 4th. I still remember the first time I cleaned out my dusty garage and aired up my off-road tires in a heartbeat thanks to this set. There's something oddly satisfying about grabbing that Merlin blowgun, squeezing the trigger, and watching a blast of air annihilate every stubborn speck of dust. It feels great. This kit is loaded. You've got everything from inflation needles to heavy-duty brass quick couplers. No more fumbling with adapters or dealing with annoying air leaks that hiss in your ear. Everything clicks in tight and runs smooth like it was custom made for your setup. We've still got some fire deals coming up, so if you're enjoying the hunt, hit that subscribe button to lock in your spot for the next haul. Your support is the fuel that keeps me testing this gear. Now that we're all pumped up, let's move to a small tool that, if missing, will absolutely ruin your day. If you've ever wrenched on a car, you know that stuck between a rock and a hard place feeling. You can see the bolt right there staring at you just a few inches away, but your ratchet just can't reach it. Frustrating, right? It's enough to make you lose your mind. That's exactly why this Pittsburgh 1/2 inch drive socket extension set is a non-negotiable for your toolbox. At a jaw-dropping price of $14.99, you get a set of extended arms made of rock-solid chrome vanadium steel. I've used these to tackle bolts buried deep in engine bays where the space is so tight you can barely fit a hand. That feeling when the extension clicks into place, you hear that solid clank, and you effortlessly spin a bolt out of a dark corner. Man, it's pure therapy. Don't let a few bucks stall your project, because being stuck without these is a total buzzkill. Extensions check. Now let's look at a secret weapon that's dirt cheap but razor sharp. Something I bet you'll use every single day. On to number 12. Guys, don't let that $4.99 price tag fool you. This Gordon folding lock-back utility knife is an absolute beast for the money. Honestly, once you hold it, it feels so solid and sharp that you'll want to buy 5 of them, one for the garage, one for the truck, one for the kitchen drawer, and your wallet won't even feel a dent. Personal experience. This thing is basically entertainment. Every time an Amazon package shows up, I just glide this blade through the thick cardboard like it's warm butter. It's incredibly satisfying. Its compact folds up perfectly for your pocket and has a rock-solid lock-back safety so you don't have to worry about the blade folding on your fingers. This is the definition of small but mighty, and you need it in your pocket before June 4th. If you're a fan of gear that's high quality but low cost, hit that like button and subscribe. Having you guys along for the ride is what keeps me digging for these Harbor Freight gems. We've got the knife, now let's move to something that'll save your neck when things get messy with plumbing. Any gearhead or DIY enthusiast knows that sinking feeling when you're fixing a coolant line or a fuel hose and the old clamp just snaps or rusts out right in your hand. Having to run to the store for one single clamp is a total pain and a waste of cash. That's why this Storehouse hose clamp assortment for just $5.99 is the consumable MVP I tell everyone to stock up on. For less than $6, you get a whole box of different sizes right at your fingertips. I once had a radiator hose leak in the middle of the night, and thanks to having this kit in my cabinet, I had it patched up in 5 minutes flat. Tightening that clamp down, seeing the leak stop, and knowing you're good to go. That's pure peace of mind. Don't wait until you're stranded or spraying coolant everywhere. Grab a box before June 4th and stay ready. Working with fire sparks or jagged steel without real protection is literally playing with fire. That's why you need a pair of titanium welding gloves. The good news, these are currently 25% off, sitting at just $8.99. That's a tiny price to pay for keeping your hands attached and burn-free. And hey, don't let the welding name limit you. I use these for everything grinding heavy metal work or even handling hot engine parts. The leather is thick enough to protect you, but flexible enough so you don't feel like you're wearing oven mitts. I've had my share of oops moments with cheap cloth gloves, but since I switched to these titanium ones, those worries are gone. Handling hot metal or sharp edges without a care in the world is a total game changer. If you want top-tier armor without breaking the bank, hit that like and subscribe. Your support keeps me motivated to dig up more gear reviews like this. Now get ready for the grand finale. The monster power station that sets you free. Here it is, the big boss you've been waiting for. If item number 2 is your battery, the Predator 200-watt foldable solar panel is the machine that creates power out of thin air. At $209.99, saving you $20, this is the ultimate investment for anyone who wants to own the energy game, whether you're on a mountain peak or deep in the woods. I took this panel beach camping recently, and man, it's a vibe. Just unfold it under the sun. Watch the numbers on the display climb and charge your gear without a single drop of gas or a noisy generator humming in your ear. It's surprisingly portable, folds up like a briefcase so you can stay mobile. The Predator build quality is solid. It's made to handle the bumps and bruises of real off-grid living. Being totally self-sufficient in the middle of nowhere is an experience every one of you guys should try at least once, bottom line. This is the crown jewel for campers and off-roaders. Snag it at Harbor Freight before June 4th. And that's the list, the 15 best Harbor Freight grabs before April 6th, 2026. If you can only pick 5, here's my ride or die list. The Predator winch, Jupiter inverter, Thunderbolt, solar 100 watts, the tie-down 4-pack, and that Bauer wet/dry vac. These 5 are the workhorses that'll save you the most time, sweat, and tears. If you went all in on all 15, you'd be putting roughly $450 to $550 back into your own pocket. Pro tip, get to your local Harbor Freight and check these out before the April 6th deadline. And remember, their return policy is legendary. If you buy it, try it, and don't love it, taking it back is a breeze. What about you? Drop a comment below. Which one are you grabbing first? I'll be down there reading and replying to every single one. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next deal hunt. Quick disclaimer, prices and deals can vary by location. I'm just sharing my personal experience. Double check your local flyer before you head out. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the next one. Happy hunting, and let's get those garages looking pro.